airshow codes. So let's get started. So you want to go in this website called show.tv. So once you're in show.tv, you will be heading here and you want to scroll down and you'll see airshow. So you want to install it because I already have installed airshow, so I don't have to install it. You want to install airshow and show TV, or else it won't work. So once you're in airshow, it will say enter the the airshow code, and you don't even know the airshow code. So go on this website again called iOS. So once you got in that website, I'm gonna go right now. iOS mode is right in the top, and it will lead you in this kind of website. You want to scroll down, and it will give you in this iOS emails. It said get your favorite iOS emulators and app here. So you want to click airshow codes, not any other thing. So once you go here, it says this site will not always work 100%. If a code is invalid, refresh with the above and try again. It may take a few tries to get a working code. Thank you. So I got my airshow code from this website, and I got it from a YouTuber too. But I don't know what his name is because I forgot. But shout out to that YouTuber. Bye guys!